Welcome to the XM Fax app for Toshiba MFD's cloud service installation and configuration video. Before installing the XM Fax app, please take note of the following configuration requirements. This integration requires an active cloud account in order to be able to generate an access token for the device. We shall see how to generate the access token during the configuration parts of this video. To start the installation, first connect to the top access utility using the MFD's IP address. Please log in as an administrator. Select the Administration tab, then click on the application link. From the application page, click on the Install Application link. A window will open so that you can browse to the location where you downloaded the XM Fax app. Select the installation package and press the Import button. Accept the license agreement and wait for the process to confirm successful installation and press OK. Once back in the top access administration page, we can now see that the XM Fax app has been installed. Please select the registration link. Select an empty spot on the panel, choose the option Register from Application, select the XM Fax icon and save your selection. The XM Fax button is now registered on the panel of your choice. Select the application link once more to configure the XM Fax app. Before launching the cloud service configuration page, we need to create an access token. Please connect to your cloud account as an administrator. From the Account Administration drop-down, please select the Access Tokens menu item. Then select the Add New Access Token link. Enter a display name for the device that will use the access token and check the Send and Manage Faxes permission. Press the Add button to generate the access token. Once available, please copy the access token and switch back to top access. On the Toshiba app configuration page, select the XM Fax Cloud service option. Once in the configuration page, please input your enterprise's account unique identifier and press the Verify button to validate. Then paste the access token in the access token field. Select the user authentication method. In this case, we're using the No Login option, which consists of a user and a profile for this device configured in the cloud account. Finally, press the Save button. The configuration of your XM Fax app is now complete. Next, we will send a fax from the display panel. To send a fax from your Toshiba device, select the XM Fax icon on the display panel. This launches the composition screen. Enter the fax number of the destination, a recipient name and company name, and add to the recipient list by pressing the Add button. Select a cover sheet if desired, input a subject and a comment. And press OK. You will have access to favorites and also a phone book based on the profile of the user that is sending the fax. Once ready, press the Scan button. The device will now scan the documents you wish to send as a fax. When the scanning is done, press the Send button to submit the fax to XM Fax. You will get a confirmation to that effect. Finally, press the Exit button to return to the panel. This concludes the XM Fax app for Toshiba MFD's on-premises installation and configuration video. For any additional questions, please visit the XM website. Thank you.